Welcome back, students. Now we are going to switch over to the scope of international business. But before going deep into the concept of scope, I would like you to know the difference between what is direct investment and what is portfolio investment. Scope we'll be learning in the next video. So let us see what are the different types of foreign investment. First is portfolio investment and second is direct investment. Let's see one by one both of them. We'll start with the direct investment. Direct investment takes place when a company directly invests in properties to undertake production and marketing of goods and services in foreign countries. That is, direct transaction, direct investment takes place. Either it is related to production or it is related to marketing of goods and services in foreign nation. Secondly, in direct investment, the investor, the controlling interest of the foreign company lies in the hands of the investor. Suppose I purchased a property in the foreign country, then control will be vested in my hands. So therefore, we learnt that direct investment takes place when the company directly invests in properties to undertake the production or marketing of goods and services in the foreign countries. And secondly, direct investment provides the investor a controlling interest in the foreign company. Also, direct investment takes place when a company directly invests in properties to undertake production and marketing of goods and services in foreign companies, as I told you earlier. And this is also known as FDI. Commonly, you might have heard about the term FDI. So what is this FDI? FDI is foreign direct investment. Nextly, when one or more foreign parties, they make investment jointly in the production and marketing activity, then such an operation is known as joint venture. A company can set up wholly owned subsidiary abroad by making 100% investment in foreign ventures. So this is called FDI or foreign direct investment or direct investment abroad. I hope that it is clear what is the meaning of foreign direct investment. Now we'll see what is portfolio investment. Very easy, but listen it very carefully. Portfolio investment refers to such an investment that a company makes in another company by acquiring shares or providing loans or earn dividends or interest on shares or loans respectively in foreign countries. We have learned in our previous units about the sources of business finance. So shares, debentures, whenever we purchase the shares of a company, we become the owners. But when we purchase the shares of a foreign company or when we purchase the ownership of foreign company through shares, that is called portfolio investment, because these shares will fetch us a part of profit and that part of profit is called the dividend. In a portfolio investment, an investor is not directly involved in the production and marketing operations. Rather, he is only purchasing the shares. He or she earns income through investment in shares, bonds, bills, notes, whatever are the financial assets of foreign countries, or providing loans to foreign companies. That is, we have invested, but we are not directly involved in the production or marketing of goods and services. Rather, we will be getting the ownership, getting the control only through the purchase of shares of that nation or providing loans to the other nation. We get the ownership or we get the control. So these are two types of foreign investment. One is direct investment, second is portfolio investment. Now we'll switch over to the scope of international business, but that we'll do tomorrow. Thank you.